Hi all, today we are going to discuss about the basics how to draw ray diagrams. This topic is very important for class 10 students because questions come from ray diagrams. How to draw them is very important. See, I have a circle here. I have drawn this. Imagine this circle as a spherical ball which is made up of glass. Okay, spherical ball which is made up of glass. Like a ball which we play. How it looks, it's like a sphere. So if it is made up of glass, the center of the sphere is called as center of curvature. It is called as center of curvature. The center of the glass sphere is called as center of curvature. This is important because while drawing ray diagrams for concave and convex, we will get a confusion where to draw the center of curvature. So it is important to know that it is at the center of the glass sphere. Now, if I cut this glass sphere and take out this piece and coat this piece outside, okay, and coat this piece outside. So this will be the reflecting part which is not coated. So let us take this piece and draw a ray diagram. So this reflecting part, this type of mirror is called as concave mirror. Is called as concave mirror. How to remember it is concave mirror? See, cave, very easy, cave, cave. So the reflecting part is in the shape of cave. So we are calling it as concave mirror. So easily we can know the difference between convex mirror and concave mirror. For concave mirror, the reflecting surface will be in the shape of a cave. Okay. Now, important things required to draw a ray diagram is principal axis. Okay. Principal axis. What is a principal axis? I will tell you. First, draw a line for any ray diagram. Basic is. Then we need to draw a curve for the reflecting. This is the reflecting surface which is called as concave mirror. Okay. Now, a point on this mirror, center of this mirror is called as the pole. And we have from here center of the curvature. That is, if this is a spherical mirror, if I cut apart from it, the reflecting side will be the center of curvature for concave mirror. It will be different in the case of convex mirror, which we will discuss later. So, one more point is F. This point is called as the principal focus. Principal focus means the rays which are, the parallel rays which are near to this principal axis come and meet at one point which is called as the principal focus. This is an important question for the exam. What is principal focus? The rays which are near to the principal axis and parallel to the principal axis reflect on the mirror and meet at a point which is called as the principal focus. Okay. There is a difference between principal focus and focal length. Okay. Focal length is the distance between pole and the focus. And principal axis is PC, the line drawn between pole and the center of curvature. Okay. And these are apart from the mirror. That means these points are not on the mirror, focus or center of curvature. They are apart from the mirror. Then we need to follow 4 rules to draw any ray diagram. In that 3 are very important. Okay. So, a light ray travels and touches the mirror. This is called as the incident ray. After touching the mirror, it reflects back. How it reflects? The rule states that it passes through the focus. The rule states that it passes through the focus. This is rule 1. The light ray which is parallel to the principal axis, which is the incident ray, will reflect and pass through the focus, which is the principal focus. Okay, this is rule 1. And one more rule. After that I will clear one doubt here. Second rule is, again we need to draw the principal axis, then mirror. This is rule 2. Again this mirror is coated. Now here we have a point focus, center of curvature. Now a ray passing through the center of curvature will reflect back. The ray passing through the center of curvature will reflect again back and meet the center of curvature only. Why? Because see, this is like a circle, a piece we have cut. So if we draw how to draw a perpendicular line from here? If we think this is a tangent, then this from here to C, it will be a perpendicular line, which we are calling it as normal. As you know, in laws of reflection I made a video. So first law of reflection states that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. What does it mean? See, in the case of rule 1, if I am drawing a normal line, how to draw a normal line? See here, if this is a glass sphere, so if I draw lines like this, making a tangent over here, anywhere here, so these lines will be 90 degrees. It makes 90 degrees angle. So these are the perpendicular lines which are touching to a point on the circle. So this is called as normal. How to draw it here when it is a concave mirror? We can draw it from here. Okay, so this will be the normal. So this is the angle made by the incident ray to the normal, and this is the angle made by the reflected ray. So the angle of incidence will be equal to the angle of reflection according to laws of reflection. Okay, that is the reason some students ask why the ray which is passing through the focus, why it is not reflecting back. Okay, so the center of curvature is exactly, it is making 90 degrees with the it is perpendicular to the mirror. So that is the reason it is getting reflected back. But in the other cases, it is not that same. So whatever the rays comes, they will reflect back at the same angle. Okay, this we need to remember. Now coming to rule 3. Again, principal axis. Again, coating backside. Pole a point. Then focus. Then center of curvature. Now, the third rule is rule number 3. The incident ray, the light ray which falls on the mirror and passing through the focus will reflect back, and it is parallel to the principal axis. It is just opposite to rule 1. Okay, very simple. The light ray which is passing through the focus will reflect back parallel to the principal axis. So to find out how images formed on concave mirror, because different cases, different types of images are formed, these three rules will be helpful for you people. Either we can take rule 1 or rule 2 or rule 1 or rule 3 according to the situation over there. Okay, that we will discuss in our next class. I hope you understood today's class, whatever the basics I have given you. If any doubts, please do comment in the comment section so that I can clear your doubts. Thank you, and follow the next series after this class to draw the diagrams related to concave mirror.